Topic education. Many students think that homework is not useful and it takes too much time. A significant number of students argue that homework is largely ineffective and excessively time consuming, detracting from other valuable activities. Teachers should use technology in class because it makes learning more interesting. Incorporating technology into the classroom can significantly enhance student engagement and create a more dynamic learning environment. Some people believe that going to university is the best way to get a good job. Higher education is often regarded as the most reliable pathway to securing lucrative and stable employment opportunities. Parents should help their children with schoolwork so they can get better grades. Parental involvement in children's academic pursuits can play a crucial role in improving their academic performance and overall confidence. Online learning is becoming popular because it is convenient and flexible. The rise of online learning platforms can be attributed to their unparalleled convenience and adaptability to individual schedules. Schools should teach students about money management because it is important for life. Financial literacy should be incorporated into school curricula to equip students with essential life skills for managing personal finances. Studying abroad is a good idea because students can learn about new cultures. Studying abroad offers students the invaluable opportunity to immerse themselves in diverse cultures and broaden their global perspectives. Some students do not like group work because they prefer to work alone. While collaborative projects are beneficial, some students find them challenging due to a preference for independent learning and self-paced study. Governments should give more money to schools so they can improve facilities. Increased government funding for educational institutions is imperative to upgrade infrastructure and provide a more conducive learning environment. Topic environment. Pollution is a big problem in cities because there are too many cars. Urban areas face significant pollution challenges, primarily due to the overwhelming number of vehicles emitting harmful gases. People should recycle more to help the environment. Increasing recycling rates is essential to reducing waste and minimizing the environmental impact of human activities. Cutting down trees is bad for the environment. Deforestation has devastating consequences for ecosystems, leading to biodiversity loss and disrupted carbon cycles. Plastic waste is harmful to animals in the ocean. The accumulation of plastic waste in oceans poses a severe threat to marine life, often resulting in injury or death. Governments should make laws to protect the environment. Governments must enact and enforce stringent environmental regulations to safeguard natural resources and ecosystems. Topic technology. Smartphones are useful because they help people stay connected. Smartphones have revolutionized communication by enabling instant connectivity and access to information. Social media can be bad for mental health. Excessive use of social media has been linked to adverse mental health outcomes, including anxiety and depression. Technology makes life easier and more convenient. Technological advancements have streamlined daily tasks, enhancing efficiency and improving quality of life. Online shopping is popular because it is fast and easy. The convenience and efficiency of online shopping have made it a preferred choice for consumers worldwide. Children spend too much time playing video games. Excessive screen time, particularly spent on video games, can negatively impact children's physical and mental well-being. Technology can help students learn better. Integrating technology into education can enhance learning outcomes by providing interactive and personalized experiences. Robots might take over jobs in the future, The rise of automation and artificial intelligence poses a potential threat to traditional employment sectors. People rely too much on technology these days. Modern society has become increasingly dependent on technology, raising concerns about self-sufficiency and critical thinking. The internet is important for finding information. The internet serves as an indispensable tool for accessing and disseminating information in the digital age. Topic: health. Eating junk food is bad for your health. Consuming junk food regularly can lead to serious health issues, including obesity and cardiovascular diseases. Exercise important for staying healthy. Regular physical activity is essential for maintaining overall health and preventing chronic illnesses. Smoking causes many health problems. Smoking is a leading cause of preventable diseases, such as lung cancer and respiratory disorders. People should drink more water to stay healthy. Adequate hydration is crucial for bodily functions and overall well-being. Stress can make people sick. Chronic stress has been linked to a range of health problems, including weakened immunity and mental health disorders. Sleep is important for good health. Quality sleep is fundamental to physical and mental health, affecting everything from cognitive function to immune response. Fast food isn't healthy because it has too much fat and sugar. Fast food is often high in unhealthy fats and sugars, contributing to lifestyle-related diseases. People should eat more fruits and vegetables. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables is essential for providing vital nutrients and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Mental health is as important as physical health. Mental health is an integral component of overall well-being, deserving the same attention and care as physical health. Topic: society. Poverty is a big problem in many countries. Poverty remains a pervasive issue, particularly in developing nations, where it exacerbates social and economic inequalities. Crime rates are higher in cities than in rural areas. Urban areas tend to experience higher crime rates due to factors such as population density and socioeconomic disparities. Education can help reduce poverty. Access to quality education is a powerful tool for breaking the cycle of poverty and fostering economic development. Many people move to cities for better opportunities. Urban migration is often driven by the pursuit of improved employment prospects and access to essential services. Overpopulation is a problem in some countries. Overpopulation poses significant challenges, including resource depletion and environmental degradation. Unemployment is a serious issue in many places. High unemployment rates can lead to economic instability and social unrest. To get a free PDF of this video lesson, join our Telegram channel and the link is in the description below. You should also check out our Band 9 Premium course. Download the application. Thanks for watching and happy learning, everyone.